So do y'all remember how to say this right here? A of C. Very nice. A of C. Okay? All right. So it wants you to write an equation for what? No, not first. What's it say? Read it.
Area of a circle.
Okay. What's the equation for area of a circle?
Pi times the radius.
Pi times the radius squared. Very nice. That is what the A stood for, correct? The A stood for area. What else does the rest of that sentence say after area of a circle?
As a function of the circumference.
Circumference, right? Hopefully you're with me. I got a couple of you that are dazing off. So the C stands for circumference. Yes, I ran off the page. It'll be all right though. So what is the circumference of a circle? It's all the way around, right? It's like perimeter almost. Remember what the formula was though? Pi times the diameter. Very nice, very nice. But I could write that another way. I could write that, instead of saying diameter, 2r. Very good. So I can say 2 pi r. And the reason I want to write it like that is because I want to merge these two equations together, okay? Do you see something that is special about both the area and the circumference formulas? They both got pi's, and they both got an r, right? Pi is not changing. It's the same as it always is, 3.14, yada, yada, yada. So what could I do to this equation since it's easier? What could I do here? I don't want to divide by r. I'm trying to get r by itself.
Oh, 2.
More than 2. 2 pi, right? There you go. Divide by 2 pi. 2's cancel. Pi's cancel. So what's r equal? C over. There you go. All right, so I get to plug this in. You ready? So I'm going to say A equals pi, but I'm not going to say r squared because I know what r is now. What is r?
Circumference over 2 pi.
There you go. Circumference over 2 pi, but that r was squared. So this little guy right here is r, right? And all I did was plug him in for r. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes.
All right. So, do you see anything else that you could do to clean that up a little bit?
Square.
No. I can square them, right? So I have pi. And what would c squared be? C squared. 4 pi squared. Very nice. Very nice. Y'all okay so far? Do you see anything that will cancel?
Square.
Not the squares. The pi. This pi is over what, guys? Over 1, right? So this one will cancel with one of them down here, right? So do I have anything left out front? No. What do I have left over here?
C squared.
C squared
4 pi.
over 4 pi. Look at you go. Look at you. Are y'all okay? Actually, we should write that A of C. Oops. Sorry. A of C. Are y'all okay? Yeah? Ish? A little bit? All right. Okay. What are we doing? ACT. ACT. What numbers are we doing on the ACT today? A through 10. A through 10. Yeah. No, these are your notes. You've had these since Friday. All right, let's do number 2 together, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. Here we go. Number 2, what could I do first? Number 2. Page 13. Oh, crap. We're doing ACT. Golly. Hold on. I got to get my life together. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Keep me straight, okay? Keep me straight. Alright.
Oh,
I was wondering why y'all were looking at me crazy. No wonder you were looking at me crazy. Alright. How many problems are we doing?
3.
3. So how many minutes do you get?
3.
3. Okay, what numbers are we doing, Dolph? Don't start reading yet. Jackson, no. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1 3/4, 1 1/2, 1, go. Okay. How did we do? All okay? Ish, a little bit. Okay, we'll go over it when? When are we going to go over it? When?
Monday.
Monday. Okay, guys, Monday is a regular day. We will be doing things on Monday. So if you are not here, you are going to miss things. However, it is a really historic event on Monday. So if you choose to stay home and wear your protective eyewear to view the eclipse, then what could you do if you stay home on Monday?
Watch the video.
Watch the video, okay? So if you choose to stay home, do not worry. We have Google Classroom. We have the video. You're going to see the exact same thing that you always see. You're going to actually see this screen. Does that make sense to everybody? You're all okay? Yeah? All right. So now let's go to notes on page 13, now that I have my life together. Okay, you ready? Ready? Ready, Freddy? Okay. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go through and we're going to solve and we're going to graph all of these. We're going to go through and solve and graph, okay? Then we're going to go back and talk about the solution sets, okay? So what did I do to solve for z? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And what is negative 15 plus 9? Negative 6. And divide by 8. Did I divide by a negative?
No.
No, you did not divide by a negative, so do not touch that inequality. Fractions are your friends. Yes, ma'am.
Is it the same like you put this multiply?
Yes, ma'am. Only if it's a negative, though, okay? Like number 10 down there. See it on number 10? Okay. All right, guys, look. Fractions are your friends. Keep it as a fraction. Negative 6 over 8 can reduce.
Negative 3 over 4.
Negative 3 over 4. Very nice. Very nice. Okay? So when we do negatives, they're backwards. Negatives are backwards, okay? So this is negative 3 over 4. All right, so if I have negative 3, what would be right here? Negative 4 over 4, which is negative 1. Negative 3 and then negative 4. All right, so if negative 3 is right here, this one would be negative 2 over 4. That's negative 1/2. Very nice. Are y'all okay? Open dot or closed dot? How'd you get it closed? There you go. It's got an equal to sign right here. Solid bar, solid dot. And then what way is it shaped?
To the right.
To the right. Y'all okay? Do you see your partner? Find your partner. Look at your partner. Smile at your partner. Tell them how beautiful they look today. Go to your partner. And we are working through number 10. And then we're going to come back together and talk about interval notation. Go to your partner first. All of them. We're going to solve them and graph them. All right, let's work, let's work. Yes, we're going to do all of them. It shouldn't take y'all just a few minutes. Then we're going to go over how to do the notation. Gentlemen, how are we doing?
You know how big it is?
Where's your graph? Yeah, but you can select this. Practicing. -2. -3. There's only one negative. Your graph is nice.
Alright, Peyton put up number 3 for you. Make sure, look, doing the answer is not going to get you any good. You gotta have the work. Gotta have the work to go with it. Wendy, can you go ahead and remove those?
Was number 3 wrong? No, it's right there.
Actually, don't take the last one. Okay, well, if you multiply it, then it's just K, but not very much. No, because these keys are right there. This is just K, not very much. Your answer is just K.
Alright, there's number 5. Check your work on number 5. 3 and 5 are up there. 3 and 5 are up there. 3 and 5 are up there.
Which one did you do, Gabe? You 6? Slide down, I can't see it.
Do that smiley face.
I want to see
She said don't work it out.
where it was.
I thought you said you. That's all.
Five up there where they can see.
That's what I'm doing. I'm getting. I'm blocking it. Hold on.
Slide up. There you go. Let's go right there.
Aha.
Thank you.
What did you get at 6? 26?
Alright guys, fractions are your friends. Keep them as fractions. Keep them as fractions. Fractions are your friends.
It is only because you use calculator.
Yeah, that's right. I've never seen that much trash.
Alright, that's what around the
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm telling you. I'll try.
Oh, I'm sorry, no, the 18, that's right, you know, the 18 first, that's 8, and you multiply by negative 4, right?
Well,
No, it's fine. It's a fraction. Okay.
Okay, so your letter should have oh, but you still put it in your head.
All right. Check your work for number 6. There's 6 and 7. What?
That little number line, is that like an equal difference?
It's supposed to be, but I'm not going to take off if it's not. I mean, it's supposed to be, though. All right, what about 6? Any issues on 6? X greater than or equal to negative 2? And then number 7, X is less than or equal to 6? Did she? I hope you didn't bold it through my paper. Yes, you did. You bolded it all the way through my paper. That's fine. We'll switch that paper tomorrow. I mean, Monday. You get the one that's got bolded through it. They don't have a Monday. No, the paper's not done yet.
I did the work on that.
Ray, you got it right?
yes.
Can you just put answers in the graph? Just answer the graph. Yes, sir. I mean, it's not long, you can do it up to the year, and once I it's not long, but it's gonna make it extremely hard. It'll make your numbers smaller. You don't have to do it so much.
I don't have to show the work.
No, just answer it. We'll go over the work if you have issues.
Where?
Alright, what about number 8? There's the answer. Let me slide it so y'all can see them. There's number 8. You're all okay? Very nice job reading all those fractions. Very nice job. What's wrong? What's the wrong thing? What's the wrong thing? Okay, hold on. Braden's not wrong. He got the right answer. Alright, hold on. It's probably just a number somewhere. Eight, not 6. Yep, that's where it is. What? Do fractions, yes. Keep it as a fraction. Just like you done the other. Oh, hold on. We should do that. Okay, right here. You should move this in first. Plus, if you do -4, they cancel right here. So we have 4. So you multiply this one, but you get that. So if you want to do it, you can multiply that by -4. But it's just easier and you want smaller numbers. It's just 18 first. And then the rest of it's right. Ken, how you doing about it? Got number 9? I'm going to put this answer in the graphic report. Okay. Okay. How you doing? Good? That's right. That's right. That's right. The A's right. The A's right. Hey, Wyatt, write that answer down where you can see. We'll work on this. We'll move it in just a second. Where we get? Whoa. Here we go. Anytime that happens, just take a quick Brian, you good? All right, Kenan just put up 9 for you. Make sure you got the same answer as 9. Okay. Yep, and you just have to do that one. Yeah, but you multiply by that -4, so that's not just good. You multiply by -4. And that's not the last 2 steps.
They probably divided by the fractions. Or well, multiply by fractions.
And you don't divide by fractions. Or multiply by so right that bottom step. Okay, so we're gonna Very nice. That's right. That's right.
Would it be like
Yeah.
Right, so far? Yeah.
That's right. What you got, Brandon?
Is that a 4?
On.
Negative 36 over 9.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Number 10. What y'all get? Z is greater than.
Negative 37 over 9.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm coming. Hold on. So let's see. Negative 37 over 9. Negative 38 over 9. All right, this one will be negative 36 over 9, but that reduces. What's that give you? Negative 4. Very good. Open circle, and then shade, okay? A lot of y'all had fractions on your graph, which was awesome, but make sure if they reduce that you actually reduce them, okay? All right, Garrett, where are we at?
9 is
9. All right, so while I'm coming real quick, if we're good to go ahead and get back in our seats real quick, and let's go back and talk about integral notation. We'll hand out quizzes, we'll hand out workbooks, and then we'll be finished for the day.
I got 3.
18 first, you see it again. But when you multiply by this negative 4, though, that's what puts the negative. So those two steps right here is negative. Alright, good to go? Y'all ready? Okay, well let's start with number 10 since we're here. Here we go. So, let's talk about our intervals. If this is going horizontal, what axis would that be the same as? The X or the Y? The X, right? And when we talk about domain and range, which one is the X-axis? Domain. Very good. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, how do we read a book? From which way to which way?
Left to right.
Left to right. So we read the graph the exact same way. On the left-hand side, where does your graph start at? Where does your graph start on the left-hand side?
Negative 37 over 9.
Does it actually physically hit negative 37 over 9? No. Why? Because what kind of circle does it have?
Open.
Open. So if you have an open circle, then you use an open parentheses. Okay? Does that make sense so far? Then we put a comma. Now you're going to go to the right. Where is your graph going to the right? Which way? Where is it going to eventually get to if that arrow means it's never going to stop? What kind of infinity? Positive or negative? If you're going to the right, Which way is to the right? Positive. All right, so here's the way you write an infinity sign. It's a sideways 8. When I learned how to write these, I had to turn my paper sideways and write an 8. If that helps you do that. Can you ever get to infinity? Can you ever touch infinity? No. So if we can't actually touch something, if I open that door and I walk through it, am I actually going to touch the door? Watch. Look.
You're touching it?
Door's open, right? If I walk through the door, am I ever going to touch the door? If I'm the same person? No, you're not going to touch the door, right? Does that make sense? You're not going to touch the door? Y'all okay?
Wouldn't you hold it for the
So,
person?
So if I'm not going to touch something, if I don't actually hit it, it gets a parentheses. Let's do one that's different, okay? Let's do number 9. Number 9's different. How do we read a graph? Which way to which way? Left to right. Look at the left. Where is it going to the left? Negative where? Infinity. And can we ever get to negative infinity? So what do we use with it? Every single time. Every single time infinity gets a parentheses. Every time. Never, ever, 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 ever changes. Look at the right. I'm going, and I'm going, and I'm going. And where does it stop at? 32. Does it actually physically hit 32? So I'm not going to put a parentheses because it hit it. I'm going to use a bracket. Some of you that had me as a freshman remember this. Okay, here we go. Let's look at number.
Why don't I just
Are we doing all these?
We doing all these, yeah.
Why don't we just use all this? Why does it look like this?
Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, I gotta look at my graph. Look at my graph. Here we go. Look on the left. Where am I starting on the left? 5. Did I hit 5 over 7?
Yes, you did.
No, I did not. So what's it get if I do not hit it? Parentheses. I hope you're with me and not staring off into La La Land. This is the only Algebra 2 stuff we're going to do for this whole unit. The rest of it's pre-algebra. Okay? Where is it going from there? Which infinity? Positive. And infinities always get what? Every stinking time they get a parentheses. Every stinking time. Alright, let's look at this one. Look at the graph. Look at the left. Where's the left going? Backwards to where? Negative what? Infinity. And infinities always get parentheses. And look at the right. Where does it stop at the right? Does it actually physically hit 6?
Yes.
Oh, yes it does, because it's closed. So if it actually physically hits it, it gets a bracket. Beautiful. Kind of, sort of. All right, let's do some more of them, okay? Let's do number 6. All right, look at your graph. On the left, where's the left? What number? Does it actually physically hit negative 2? Yes, it does. Where is it going to the right?
Positive infinity.
Positive infinities. And what do infinities always get? Every stinking time. Never going to fail. It's going to get parentheses. Alright, what about number 5? Look on the left. Where's the left? It's a rock. At what number? Negative 5. And if you can't go past a rock unless you got some nice good equipment, you better put a bracket. Because you actually physically hit it. And where's it going from there? Positive infinities. And what do infinities always get? Parentheses. Oh, now y'all don't want to talk? I know. Okay, y'all think y'all can handle 1, 2, 3, and 4? Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, and 4, go. Try those. What you got, Ren? Only bracket. What'd you get for number 4?
Negative infinity.
Okay.
Infinity with the counts.
Yeah.
3 for the parentheses.
Perfect. Very nice. Very nice. Y'all okay? Did you get it right? Yeah. Yeah. Look at you go. All right. What about number 3? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. With a parentheses. Very nice. Very nice. You get it right? Yeah. Okay. All right. We got 2 right so far, so you got some confidence built up. So now you tell me what number 2 is. Go.
Negative 3.
Bracket.
Bracket.
Yeah.
Positive infinity.
Perfect. Perfect. Look at you. Look at you. Get that one right? 3 out of 4? All right. What about number 1?
Parentheses, negative infinity.
8.
8.
Perfect. 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 Y'all okay? Get it? Got it good? All right, here's what we're going to do. I know it says we're doing a checkpoint, but we're not. We don't have enough time for that with quizzes and everything. So I'm going to hand out your quizzes. You cannot keep these quizzes right now. You cannot keep these quizzes, okay? But you can go ahead and pack up, but when you hear your name, come grab your quiz. Garrett, Brianna, Gabe, Harrison, Avery, Kenan, Brennan. Kate, Adriana, Matthew, Julian, I'm sorry, Julian. Jasmine, Cameron, Wyatt, Timothy, Wendy, Anna, Jackson, Jesse.
What'd you make?
Jasmine, Cameron.
If you're one of the 4.
Cameron, Jesse, Gage, Anna, Piper, Rand, Brian, and Molly.
Are you? What'd you make here?
Alright, let's talk about this. Listen, we don't have long. Sit your behind down. We do not have long. Okay, listen. All of the questions were 5 points apiece. 5 points apiece, okay? So, if they have a check mark, what do you think that means?
You got all 5 points.
You got all 5 points, okay? If you got a +4, what do you think that means?
You got 4 points.
Yeah, but what do you think it means as far as what you got right or wrong? Like, you just missed like one small step. What if you got like a +1?
You missed the whole. What?
I had sympathy for you, right? And you did something kind of intelligent, try to work something, okay? All right, now look. I did these very quickly and very late last night, so here's what I need you to do. I need you to add all of them up. What do check marks become again? 5 points, right? Add them all up, make sure it gives you the number at the bottom. Then add the back up, make sure it gives you the number at the bottom. Then add the front and the back up and make sure it gives you the number at the top, that circle. Okay? I have been known to miss some problems when I'm adding them up, so please make sure you check my work. If you don't have any questions whatsoever, we're going to put them in the tray in just a second. But what could you do to this quiz if you didn't do so hot?
Test corrections.
Quiz corrections, right? How long do you have to do a quiz correction?
1
week. So you have until next Friday to do quiz corrections, right? But what do you have to do first before you do quiz corrections?
Go to tutoring.
Tutoring, when?
0 period.
0 period or
Right
after
now.
school, most people 0 period though, right? If you don't have any questions whatsoever, put it in the tray. If you got a question, bring it to me, okay? If you got a question, bring it to me. How about this one? Not where people can see it.
There's nothing wrong with this one.
Well, if I tell you that, then you can't do test corrections.
Great.
Do you not want to do test corrections? Positive? Well, if I tell you, you can't do test corrections.
I mean, who's only that one problem?
We just did this one's 6 over 4 is 6 over 4. It's not. Yeah. Bye, guys. I know. Something silly. That's why you only got 1 point off.